Today we're going to be looking at Lab 4.1, Density of Air. You should find this worksheet, download it, and make sure you have it. You'll notice question number 1 says to write down the procedure that's agreed upon by the whole class. Since you're not there, you'll want to go ahead and write down the procedure that we go through today. Our goal is to record our results, that's question number 2, and to also include all measurements. In this case, you're going to want to make sure that you include all masses. We'll be calculating the density, showing our calculations, and then you have questions 4, 5, and 6 that you'll need to respond to. So today we have a scale, a bottle, a stopper. This is a ring. We're going to place that ring right here. Our stopper will go on top, and then using this small vacuum pump, we're going to be pumping the air out of this bottle. Our question today, does air have density? In order for something to have density, it needs to have two things. It needs to have both mass and it needs to have volume. If we look at the bottom of our jar here, it does say that this particular jar, you might not be able to see it, has a volume of 500 milliliters. You'll want to know that. Again, this jar has a volume of 500 milliliters. So here it is. Is there air inside of here? I would assume yes, right? It's open. There's nothing keeping the air from not going in here. And we know that one of the properties of air is to fill the space that it's in. So we're going to place all of these items together, and we're going to go ahead and place them on top of our scale. Our beginning mass is 110.7 grams. So this would be our mass of our bottle full. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to place just a small amount of water along the ring of the bottle here, and that's just to help us so that we get a good suction. We're then going to get a ring of water along the top here, again to help us so that we have a good seal. Then we're going to go ahead and we are going to place our vacuum. To work this vacuum, you simply pull the handle up and then pull it down. So our goal is we're going to try and pump the air out of this bottle approximately 30 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we're going to just double check that we got a good seal. So nothing's moving, so that's a good sign. We have 11 so far. There's 19, 20. It's getting a little more difficult. Still have a good seal. Oh, there's 30. Again, how's our seal? Now we're going to place this back onto our scale. And our new mass is 110.3 grams. So the question is, did we take some air out of this bottle? Did our mass change? Go ahead and do the math to determine that. What did it weigh before? What did it weigh after we used the vacuum? If our mass changed and it weighs less, then we know that air has mass. So if we know our mass and we know our volume from the bottom, we can now use our math skills. Remember, density is equal to mass divided by volume. Now you should be able to go through and complete the rest of your worksheet. Thank you.